Hey everyone, in this video we are going to use different masking techniques, so let's dive right in. Let's use these two photos as an example. I place them as an overlay. Then I am going to the mask section and applying a split mask first. It can be rotated 360 degrees. I apply some feather for the smooth look of the mask. Here we can apply different masks. Let's try them as well. You can reverse the mask by clicking on the reverse option. Now moving to our first mask technique, which is sky replacement. I am adding two videos as an overlay, having different skies. I am going to resize them first. I select the overlay video and drag it from the corner slightly. Then I'm going to add a split mask by selecting it. From the center, it looks like there are two different videos, so I'm going to add some feather to smooth it. Now play it for the final look. The next masking technique is video transition. I choose one video with a green screen and the other is simple stock footage. This clip is a bit long, so I am resizing it and then adding the green screen video as an overlay. Now I am selecting the overlay video and removing the background by using the chroma key option. I am setting its intensity to 40 and the masking is done. And here is the final look. Film strip is the next technique. I get this video and then apply a film strip mask. I am closing its border first and adding an initial keyframe because I want it to open with a delay. I add the first keyframe to its size, then I move the playhead a few frames forward and add a keyframe again. The border remains close for these two keyframes. After this, I move the playhead a few frames forward and open the border of the strip mask. The keyframe is automatically created here. I want it to open smoothly, so I click right on it and choose Show Variable Speed Animation. I select both the keyframes and click right again and apply an ease out graph. Now the final look of the mask is ready. The fourth technique is text reveal. I add stock footage and resize it. The video you required for this effect is like that of a person moving from right to left or left to right. I choose stock footage here, but you can record the video of your own. Then I make a duplicate of the video and place it as the overlay. After this, I select the duplicated video and remove its background by auto removal. When the auto removal process is completed, I add a text for this effect. I write a text and customize it. After the customization, I sandwich the text between two video layers. Now it is showing behind the object. Then I create a compound clip and apply a split mask. Cover all the text from the mask and add an initial keyframe at the beginning of the compound clip. Then I move the playhead a few frames forward and change the mask position as the object moves. I do the same thing for all the text. The final technique is to shine a word. First, add a black background from the library, and then add text and customize it. After customization, create a compound clip and then duplicate it. Select the duplicated clip and go to the adjustments. Set exposure to 50 and whites to 44. Then go to the mask section and apply a rectangular mask and set feather to 15. I am rotating the mask and increasing its length as it covers the text when I move it from one corner to the other. Now I am adding a keyframe at the middle. Then I move the playhead to another position and the mask to another corner. And here is the final look. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what CapCut tutorial you'd like to see next.